You need to hire an attorney, but you are clueless how to even start. You don't even know how to see if they can practice law in California. Well, stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to look up your attorney and to make sure that the state of California allows them to practice, and to see if there's been any disciplinary action against them. Hi, I'm Naomi from Gonzalez Law, Legal Insights from California Attorneys. Today's topic is, how can I look up my attorney? This topic is in line with our mission to empower clients everywhere through education on the legal process. It is a good idea to look up your attorney before deciding to hire them. Ideally, when you look up your attorney, you'll be able to see when they started practicing and that they have had no disciplinary action against them. Okay, so here's the website you need. This is the State Bar of California Attorney Search, and I will link to this page in my description. First, what I'm going to do is show you just how to look up an attorney, and then I'm going to go through examples where there really is some real problems there and show you what that information looks like, what you should look out for. From here, the easiest way to look up an attorney is by their name. I will go ahead and put my name in as an example. So that's going to be Naomi Gonzalez, and then search. I happen to be the very first one, and so I'm clicking on that. So this is my attorney profile. There's my name, my bar number, the address, Gonzalez Law Firm. This is our physical address, our phone number, our fax number, an email address for me, and also the website. This section is more about this attorney. I'll go ahead and click on that just to show you, but mine is pretty bare boned. I did fill out my law school, which is Loyola University School of Law. This is the one in Chicago, not the one in Los Angeles. I didn't report any languages, license status, disciplinary, and administrative history. All I really have is the date I was admitted into the bar. This is when I was actually licensed to practice law. Present status is active. That's really the minimum that you need to know from an attorney to know that yes, they are licensed to practice law in the state. It does not mean that they're a good attorney. It just means things been proven against them that interferes with their ability to practice law. Let's try somebody else. My husband. Let's try what happens if we just put Will Gonzalez and search. He didn't come up because it wasn't an exact name, and his name is not William, it's Unlawful. So let's try again with his full name, search. And there he is. And I click on him. There's his attorney profile. His name here, his license number, his status is active. He's also at Gonzalez Law Firm. However, we did list our mailing address, this one. We have the same phone number, the same fax number, the same email address, and the same website. So let's click on more about this attorney. So he actually filled out more than I did. He has the CLA of workers' compensation, and he does speak Spanish, and our staff does speak Spanish as well. For his law school is Loyola University School of Law as well. That's not how we met, by the way. License status, disciplinary, and administrative history. It's just his date he was licensed to practice. He's presently active. So here's an example of what you do not want to see. This consumer alert. It says this attorney has been charged with a felony. It does have a disclaimer saying just because he's charged doesn't mean that he's guilty, but still it's something that you should be aware of. They want the consumer to know. Scroll down to the license and status, disciplinary, administrative. So let me tell you this guy's story. He was admitted in 1996. He had his first issue disciplinary charges in 2007, and those disciplinary charges actually resulted in a suspension in 2010. It doesn't look like it was that bad of a suspension because it looks like he was active again by August of 2010. Scroll a little bit down to State Bar Court cases. Here you see this case number. There's an opinion and a PDF. Click on that if you would like more information. You would want to look at that because their offense might be something that's not really a problem with you. It just might be something very technical, very administrative. Sometimes people get suspended because they fail to pay their bar dues on time. Maybe the check got lost in the mail or whatever. That might be something that you're not really concerned about. If you wanted even more information about this case number here, you would want to copy it, go to search for case. Then right here, you would want to paste that number, push submit. What's really good about being able to look this stuff up is you would never know about this if you never looked them up, because these are active to practice. You can hire. You would not be making an informed decision if you didn't do your due diligence and look them up ahead of time to make sure that you are happy with who you are hiring. Now that you know how to look up your attorney, I hope that you can make an informed decision as to which attorney is best for you. Now, if you need a referral for any different types of law in California, go ahead and call us or text this consult, and we'll be very happy to talk to you and to give you a referral for a consultation. Thank you. Bye. We'll be very happy to call you, to talk to you. If you happen